Okay guys, and welcome to this video right here. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the LayerEdge airdrop. All right, so this is a very special airdrop, and one of the most interesting things to hear right now is that they just started yesterday. All right, so they launched their incentive testnet yesterday, and for you to come across this video right now means you are very lucky, because the total cost to participate on this airdrop is totally zero. You do not need any single dime to participate on this airdrop, and as you are joining today, you are automatically going to be among the early participants, and this is going to put you in a position whereby you are going to earn a better reward than people that are going to be joining later. And another thing that I actually need you to put in mind right now is that the participation to this LayerEdge airdrop is going to end on the 28th of January. All right, so if you're watching the video right now, congratulations. Make sure you take action immediately after watching this video and position yourself very well. All right, so LayerEdge is fully backed by Bitcoin, and looking over here, Bitcoin just made its all-time high yesterday, which is around $110, I think. So over here guys, we are going to be diving straight into the business of the day, and we are going to be talking about how to participate on the LayerEdge airdrop. So first thing first, let me take you to their Twitter account and of course show you guys some stuff right here. For over here, this is their Twitter account right here. You can see they are very new, and this is their followers right here, about 52,000 followers. And when you click over here guys on the people that are following them, that I'm following as well, you can see that they are being followed by Ice Cream Swap, and a whole lot of other prominent company and projects are following them. For example, Chainbase. I've already taught you guys how you can be able to participate on the Chainbase airdrop, or even Tether airdrop. I've also taught you guys how to participate on the Tether airdrop. Simply go to our videos and scroll to see where I taught you guys how to actually participate on all those airdrop guys. So looking over here right now, you can see this was their post that was made just 1 day ago, and they say that we are proud to announce that LayerEdge incentivized testnet is going live. Okay, you can see this strengthens our mission to pioneer the Bitcoin backed internet by extending Bitcoin unmatched security guarantees to every chain. When you scroll down again, you can see over here that Rapidnode also recognized them and give them a congratulations for launching a Bitcoin backed zero knowledge powered testnet. All right, scrolling down right here, you can see that EasyNode also recognized them, and it says that LayerEdge just launched the incentivized testnet, bringing them one step closer to building a Bitcoin backed internet. So over here guys, they give you guys some guidelines right here, for example the dates and all that. You can see the phase 1 actually starts and close from January 22nd and closes at January 28th. That is the phase 1. You can see this is all about stress testing with browser-based light node and limited access. Okay, now phase 2 is going to start, which is the public beta testnet, is going to be starting immediately. The phase 1 stops at 28th January 2025. Okay, so right now guys, it is very easy guys. Let me not give you guys much talk about this. Let's go straight into the business of the day and talk about how we can be able to participate on this airdrop guys. So right now guys, without talking much, let's go straight into the business of the day and talk about how to participate on this airdrop, because that is our major business right here. You can go ahead and do your own research about this project and see if it's worth your time or not, but this project is going to be fully guaranteed, and we are going to be getting 100% of our allocation during the token generation event. All right, and about 6 to 9% of the total supply of this token is going to be given to their community as a drop. Okay, so over here guys, let's go ahead and participate on this airdrop. The first thing you need to do right now is simply make sure that you have installed Mrs. Browser on your phone, because we are going to be using Mrs. Browser to interact seamlessly through the whole process. Okay, so if you have installed Mrs. Browser, you click on open. So this is going to be opening up your Mrs. Browser. A link is going to be on the video description of this video. Just check out the link on the video description of this video to actually get the link to use for this airdrop. Once you have copied the link from the video description, you go ahead and paste the link right here. Okay, and over here right now, I'm going to paste in the link right here just like this. Then you go ahead and search for it. Okay, so over here guys, the website is going to be opening right now, and it is going to be asking you to actually connect your wallet. Okay, so over here guys, this is how the dashboard actually looks like, and the first thing you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on connect wallet, and you have to select your preferred wallet. I prefer MetaMask, so this is going to be popping up a notification where I actually need to connect my wallet. So simply I will click on connect right now, and the wallet connection is going to be successful right now. And right now, let me show you guys the next thing that you actually need to do from here, guys. So over here, guys, you need to paste an invitation code right here. The invitation code is going to be on the video description box. So you go ahead and copy it from the video description, then paste it right here. You click on continue. All right. And right now, guys, we are in right now. So you can see over here, guys, that we have now started mining LayerEdge airdrop. Remember that this airdrop is a very legit one, and you need to key in right now. And one other thing that I actually need you to put in mind right here is that you actually need to run this node for at least 50 hours before you can then qualify properly for this airdrop, guys. So starting from here right now, the next thing you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on start node. Okay, once you click on start node right now, this is going to be loading up pretty quick, and your node will start running immediately after you approve this little signature request that's going to be popping up from the wallet that you just connected. All right, so it's very easy. We go ahead and of course sign the signature request like this. We just confirm it, and right now, guys, our node is going to be start to running right now. Okay, so you can see it right now. Our node is now running, and what you need to do from here, simply look over here, guys. You click on claim reward. So you actually claim this reward every single day. So you can see claim 7 days streak for 500 point bonus. So when you click consecutively for 7 days, you are going to be claiming about 500 points. And remember, this beta phase is actually going to be ending around 5 to 4 days. So right now, if you are seeing this message right now, take action right now so that you won't miss out. Okay, so I will click my this to claim my daily reward. Okay, so right now, guys, once that is done, you can see we need to claim another thing, which is daily reward already claimed. So we have to try again tomorrow. So right now we need to go back like this. Okay, so once you have claimed it, you need to wait until the second day. You're gonna have to come and claim again. Looking over here, you can see that our node is seriously running fast right here. So when you look over here, guys, this is where you actually get your own referral code. When I click on copy referral code, I will copy it. Then this code that I've just copied right now is going to be dropped on the video description box. Click on it to actually see all the information that you need to start running your own LayerEdge airdrop. So over here, guys, you can see we are now running this, and you can see this is our current speed. And when you look over here right now, this is our dashboard, and over here this is the tax that is going to be unlocked very soon. And when you click over here, guys, on referral, just like I already say, this is where your referral account shows up, and of course this is where your tier your tier actually shows up. Remember, the higher your tier, the higher your own airdrop allocation. So right now, the next thing you need to do from here is very simple and way too easy. Looking down here, you can see these are how the tiers are being lined up. The higher you go to the right, the higher the tier. You can see right now, once you reach 500, you have achieved this one. Once you reach 1500, you have achieved this one until you get to 10,000, where you're going to be achieving the highest tier. All right, so over again, when you scroll down again, this is what you need to see right here. Nothing, but down here you need to see the invite leaderboard. That is the people that refer most people. You can see them according to their wallet address, and you can see this is the point that they have accumulated so far, guys. So it's a very simple and way too easy. This is simply how you run the LayerEdge node ahead of the airdrop that is seriously coming. Thank you for watching, guys. I believe you got a lot of value from this video. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also like this video to keep me motivated to make more educational videos like this one. So thank you for watching, guys, and remember to come over here and claim every single day, and make sure you stay up until make sure you achieve 50 hours of running this node so that you can qualify properly for this airdrop. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys on my next video.